Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actions. Make sure your router is set to broadcast a 5 GHz SSID and that your Android model supports 5 GHz. Check the phone specs or settings about. Once done, turn off battery saver and airplane mode, then enable Wi-Fi and location services so scanning works reliably. If the network is hidden, prepare the exact SSID and password now. Otherwise, keep your device near the router to avoid range issues. Next, you'll perform the core connection steps and tweak settings that commonly block 5 GHz. First, forget the network entry for that SSID so Android removes cached band info, then rescan. Go into Wi-Fi advanced settings and set frequency band preference to 5 GHz if available, enable Wi-Fi scanning, and attempt manual network addition with exact SSID and password. If the phone still omits the band, change the router to a non-DFS channel like 3648. Finish by stabilizing the connection and handling common failures. Reboot both router and phone, reconnect, and test transfer speed near the router to confirm true 5 GHz link. Make sure router firmware and your Android system are up to date. If problems remain, reset network settings on the phone to clear misconfigurations. If you still can't see the 5 GHz band, try another device to isolate hardware versus router issues. If only your phone fails, consider a factory backup restore or contacting manufacturer support for driver fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.